Right. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, well, we will do the speaking test right now. Okay, first thing first, maybe you could explain all about yourself in short only.
Yeah, maybe my name will my name is Wildan Matyaki, and yeah, you can call me Wildan. And I like playing games, and yeah, I'm 15 years old.
Hmm, okay. Do you work or study?
I'm
By the way,
study.
you're studying right now, and what you're currently studying?
I'm study like IT stuff,
Hmm.
like Flutter, Dart, and something else. And also I study English and Indian.
Dunia. Do you think this lesson is difficult or easy?
Not really. I think yeah, sometimes it's kinda difficult, and sometimes it's easy.
Easy. What is the most challenging part of learning IT?
Maybe it's hard to explain the code, yeah, because uh, some usually IT project have a lot of code to explain, so it's hard.
It's really hard for you. So after your graduation later, what do you want to learn?
Until maybe yeah, I will learn like um, front end developer for preparation later, front end developer, and also like trying back end. Yeah,
Okay. From those three subjects, which one do you enjoy the most?
of course, dinya.
Didn't hear
Yeah,
any specific reason for that?
because yeah, I like to explore Islamic things like
Hmm.
uh, hadith, okay, fiqh, and others.
Oh, I see. Okay. And then maybe after this is the long plan, yeah. After you are graduated from senior high school, do you plan to continue study or work?
After senior high school,
Yeah, after a senior high school.
uh, yeah, maybe I'll continue to university
Oh,
study because my mom told me to do so, and yeah, maybe I'll go to university if I get it.
if you got it. Which university you intend to take?
I don't actually, but my mom give me recommend me to try in uh, Bra ITB.
ITB, Institut Brawijaya.
Nah, Institut Teknologi Bandung.
Oh, Institut Teknologi Bandung. Oh, I see. Okay. So, what is the most part? Uh, like the most part of the IT lesson that you enjoy doing that?
Maybe when um, exploring the codes, exploring the new things. Like right now, I'm studying Flutter and Dart. So when I exploring another lesson, I think it's
All right. By the way, where do you come from before?
I'm from Jakarta Timur.
From Jakarta Timur. That's your hometown.
Yeah,
Uh, you were born there before.
yeah,
Okay. Do you like your hometown?
yeah. I like it because yeah, that's my hometown.
That's your hometown. Any like favorite place in your hometown?
Of course, in my house.
Your house? Any other like probably tourism place that you recommend people to visit
Where in Jakarta?
in your hometown,
Uh,
Jakarta Timur?
uh, I don't know in if in Jakarta Timur, but if in Jakarta, maybe I'll recommend like Dufan, Ancol,
Oh, I see. Why you recommend people to visit?
because it's fun. I I visit that place like 3 years ago, and
Hmm.
yeah, it's very fun.
Oh, it's fun. So probably, of course, yeah, because it is your hometown. Some people dislike their hometown. Do you have any part of your hometown that you dislike?
Mm, maybe for the culture, like they're um so toxic, yeah, toxic,
So toxic.
yeah, and also um and maybe only that.
If you have power to, let's say, you are the part of the government of Indonesia, uh, you want to make the Jakarta better, what would you like to do?
Actually, I don't want to be part of Indonesian government,
Hmm,
and actually I hate them
yeah.
because yeah, um, a few days ago, not a few days ago, I think since egg graders,
Hmm,
I found that this government was in the wrong path,
hmm,
in Islamic POV.
yeah.
Like they are not using um, the Syariat. They are not applying Syariat Allah, and yeah,
Only that. Okay. So there is no. So what would you like to change from that? Because you
uh,
don't like it, right?
I'll change the ideology.
The ideology.
To change the ideology and also the system, the system, and I want to relate the demo, what what we call demons, what no, democracy.
Democracy. You delete the democracy system.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Move on to probably transportation. Uh, is there any public transportation that you like the most in your hometown?
Um, and maybe like uh, Transjakarta, and also uh, uh, like angkot, but it's uh, using card. I forgot the name. Yeah,
Bajai,
but no,
not
it's
Bajai.
like Transjakarta, but it was in the small minivan, like angkot, but we can tap the card. Forgot the name. Yeah, maybe Transjakarta. It's one of my favorite.
Oh, I see. Okay. If if someone want to visit your hometown, yeah, uh, what transportation you would recommend?
From where?
From anywhere, from the south or
Yeah,
west?
maybe using KRL, so that they can continue with um, Transjakarta, because my hometown is near with Transjakarta uh, bus stop, ya, bus stop,
Oh, bus stop
yeah,
Transjakarta.
bus stop. So they can continue with Transjakarta after using KRL.
Hmm, I see. What interesting. Yeah. Talking about your house, yeah, is your house big
Not really. It's enough for us,
enough
for
for
my
you?
family.
Uh, which part of your house you like the most?
Of course, my room,
Yeah.
because I can do everything what I want there.
Mm.
My room, and only that.
How is your room decorated?
I'm not decorate anything in my room because uh, I don't want to. What, mm, I don't want to uh, waste my money, you know.
Oh, I see.
It's actually
So do you plan to stay in Jakarta Timur for long, or do you plan to move somewhere else?
actually I want to move like to um you know a village that in Jawa, Jawa Tengah, Jawa Timur. Yeah, because I
Oh,
like the culture, the what, the peoples there.
I see. Or your parents originally Jakarta Timur or somewhere
Um,
else?
my parents, my father, he came from Karawang, you know,
Oh, I see, Karawang.
uh, West Karawang,
West Karawang.
and my mother, she came from, mm, Karangan in Bekas,
Karangan.
Karangan, Karangan,
Karangan.
Karangan.
Never been there.
It's near Pondok Gede.
Oh, Pondok Gede. Okay, I see. Okay. And then we move on to the other topic. Probably do you care about fashion?
Uh, I don't actually I don't care about it.
Uh,
So you can say I'm not buying any expensive clothes or shoes or yeah in my
okay, where do you usually buy your clothes or any clothing?
um I don't actually because every cloth that I used is from my mother, from my
Okay.
parents.
Okay. Do you know where she bought it from?
I don't know.
You don't know exactly. Okay. And maybe what item you like the most? Item of clothing you like the most?
Shoes, maybe.
Shoes. Yeah. What is the most expensive? Sorry. What is the most expensive shoes you ever buy?
Uh, or Ortus, if you know.
Ortus.
Ortus.
How much it was?
Only 500.
500. Half million. Quite expensive. Okay. Do you think uh, is Jakarta has traditional clothes?
I don't know. I don't know their traditional clothes
Mm.
because I don't think much about it.
Hmm. Do you have like traditional food you would like to recommend to other people outside Jakarta?
Maybe they can try kerak telur,
Oh, I see. Kerak telur.
I like it. I love it. And um, I don't know after that. Yeah, maybe only kerak telur.
Only kerak telur, the most recommended one from you. Okay, probably. Yeah, here. Uh, it's about internet. In your opinion, how important is the internet to you?
Yeah, of course, it's very important for us because right now humans' life using internet. They use phone, they use laptop, they use television, and so without internet, the device will not working.
All right. How often do you use it?
Uh, every day.
Almost every day. So, do you use it more for work, working on your project, I mean, or for your free time?
Both.
Both. Uh, if you can compare the percentage.
Yeah, maybe 60% for free time, 60% study or work.
Oh, all right. All right. Okay, move on to the next part here. Okay, cue card number 2. You have 1 minute to prepare your answer, and then 2 minutes to answer. Okay, proceed. Yeah, has it? Yeah, you can answer.
I don't understand actually what it mean. I don't understand.
Thing, you don't understand a thing.
Uh, can I get like 2 times more times?
Okay, here, yeah, still cue card number 2.
Only number two.
Yeah, only number 2.
Oh,
Okay, cue card number 2. Focus on answering that number 2. Okay, you could answer.
so maybe it was my my phone. Yeah. Uh, I get my phone from my first phone from my father. It was Poco X5 Pro, yeah. And it was 1 years ago. Yeah, 1 years ago, and I like it. I love it because yeah, I used the phone every day for play, for work, and for study.
Oh, sorry. That's it. Only that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, move on. Okay, yeah. Cue card number 5. Yeah, 1 minute to prepare. Okay.
Um, Maybe I'll tell you about um a book from Eril, yeah, but I forgot the name. And maybe I'll tell about yeah, Bumi, Bumi. But hello, yeah, hello. So it was a novel from Terelie, and book is about a man and also a woman that they are love each other, but yeah, there is misunderstanding, and they were uh, lift, lift, lift each other. And what I get from that book, so we must confirm must confirm the truth. Maybe we can uh, search the truth, like is it true or it's only a misunderstanding.
See. And then probably the last for part two, cue card number 6. All right, please.
Uh, Maybe I'll tell you about one figure, but actually this is controversial because um, some of us, uh, some people uh, said that he was in the wrong path, but some people like me, yeah, I found truth in him. So he is uh, uh, Abu. Uh, Maybe you'll know this figure. So he is Abu Bakar al-Baghdadi. Do you know?
Abu Bakar al-Baghdadi.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know?
Yeah, you could explain more.
Yeah, so he is the one who declared the Khilafah in thousands, thousands, 2004 or three.
Mm.
So he lived in Iraq and also Syria. And yeah, so he is what he did. So he declared the Khilafah Islam, yeah, the state that um, now uh, is uh, Islamic laws,
Yeah, it's in
and
Islamic
yeah,
law.
yeah, maybe that's all.
Oh, all right. Okay, the last, probably this one, last part is the part 3. Yeah. Mm, for the part 3, perhaps you can give more explanation in this part. Yeah. The first question: why is it important to preserve traditional culture?
So it's important
Hmm.
to make the next generation remember the uh, culture of their parents, their grandfather, their yeah. Um, yeah, so it's important for the next generation to remember the first culture that before their generation, the culture.
Okay. Do you think the schools nowadays should teach local culture or international culture?
of course, if the school was an international school, yeah, we can say like 50% international, 50% local. But if it was local school, so it must be 100% teachings about local culture.
Okay. In your opinion, why do some people ignore environmental problems even when they know they are serious? It's like littering, the small example.
Yeah, yeah, they actually people like them have a lot of reasons to do their bad behavior like
Hmm.
littering. They can say their government do the same thing also, but not littering like the government corruption do corruption or something else. So they uh, they uh, they yeah, so they yeah, they
Protes?
ah
They what? Protes or what?
no they do the bad behavior like littering because of the government also do bad behavior like corruption and others. So yeah, they do the same thing.
Hmm. Do you think it is like okay to fight fire with fire?
No, of course,
Yeah.
but yeah, a lot of people in this country think have that mindset. So it's hard.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay. One last question. Yeah. One last question. This one related to technology. Yeah. Should children be allowed to use technology without restriction?
Of course not.
Hmm.
They should use the technology under uh, but they should use technology the restriction from their parents or from their sisters or brother. So they not uh, use the technology for the bad thing that will uh, make their self coming better.
Okay, maybe that's the last. Thank you very much. You may leave the class. Thank you.